Well, I mean, let's see.
Yeah,
Below.
get the blue one. The blue one. The blue one.
Blue one?
I want a bezel on it. Yeah, there.
No.
One of those.
Oh.
Yeah. There's more. You can select more.
Oh, really?
Exactly.
This
Nice.
looks nice.
Yeah.
Maybe this.
Want a gold case?
Gold
You can try
case?
that out. Yeah,
Really?
try it. Yeah. Gold case. Does it look good?
I don't know. It looks skinny to me.
It looks weird, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Put back the tonneau. Put the tonneau case. The square one.
This one, right?
Yeah. We don't have that yet.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Right. What about a rubber one? A white one? There's more, right? Yeah, there you go. Try the white one. Looks nice, right?
Yeah, it looks nice. Looks nice.
Make it big.
Make it big. Oh.
That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
What about the bracelet? Put it on a bracelet.
Another bracelet. Oh,
That one, yeah.
that looks nice to me. Yeah, that looks really good.
All right, save it.
Save it. How do I save it?
Well, you could just say it there. Download your watch.
Oh, okay.
Put your name. Yeah, download. Okay, check the download. Okay,
Yes.
yes. Josh, guess what came?
What? Oh. Not that. Well, I guess.
Yeah, that.
Oh.
Hey, wait, there's more. Yes. Unbox it, unbox it, unbox it. Let's see this.
Is that strap?
Yep, that's the metal strap.
Yeah, it looks nice. It's already running. Wow. Okay.
Well, it's a quartz watch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Metal and rubber strap. Oh,
The
so
rubber,
you can,
yeah.
So you can deassemble it and reassemble it?
Yeah, that's the point of it. Look at that case. Wow. Take the movement. Take the movement. Yeah.
How do I safely remove this?
There. Nice. That's neat, right?
Mhm.
It has a ring underneath.
A ring underneath.
Yeah. You have to unscrew that ring.
So you unscrew it this way?
Yes.
Oh, so it'll fit in there.
Yes.
Okay.
Then put it here.
Oh, it's
Put it snugly.
I'm horrible at this, but okay. Oh, it's supposed to fit in. How would that look?
There. Yeah. Now screw it back in.
Hopefully this works.
It's
Like that,
it's so
or
easy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Now, as for the strap, the buckle always goes on top.
Oh, the buckle?
You put this in first, and then you,
Oh.
yeah.
Okay, so theoretically, if I do that,
Yeah, like that.
that first.
Actually, you can use this too. And we can do that
Honestly,
first.
I prefer the metal one.
You prefer the metal one? We can put the metal one later. Yeah. There.
How?
Yeah, just play with it until it fits. Yeah. There.
Click.
Nice.
Looking pretty.
All right. It's nice. You know how I do it, right? You put it in the center of the screen and then say designer notes, subject 80. Yeah, do it now.
Designer notes, subject 80.
No, that's wrong. You covered it.
What?
You have to show the watch. Show the watch here.
Oh.
Look at that.
Designer notes, subject 80.
Too fast.
Ah.
Take 3.
Take 100.
All right, do it again.
Designer notes, subject 80.
Too fast. Slowly, slowly. Designer notes, subject 80.
3, 2, 1. Designer notes, subject 80.
Yes! Like, comment, and subscribe for content you'd like to see next. Follow us at Instagram at Design Aruba for behind-the-scenes content. Email us at designatelierviewer@gmail.com. This video is brought to you in part by Von Vogel Watches. Watch through the video and find out how you can participate in our 80th episode giveaway. Von Vogel is a Hong Kong-based company that offers custom-made watches at fashion brand prices. Christian Vogel, founder of the brand, has worked in the watch industry for over 20 years and has always thought that it's a special privilege to wear watches of your own design. This is the motive behind their watch company. Through modular watch parts, anyone can start building their own unique watch. There are over 25,000 possible combinations, and this is one of them. We chose the blue diver with 2 subdials, tonneau case, and 5-link bracelet. The case diameter is 42 mm with a lug-to-lug distance of about 51.5 mm. The lug width is 22 mm, ideal for strap changing options. The case thickness is a modest 14 mm, including the diving bezel and crystal. The tonneau case has some beefy corners, giving a projection of a large size, although it's not overly massive by dimensions. The lugs also contribute to these bigger dimensions, but also provides a secure feeling when wearing. The bezel notches are also wide and large, matching the rest of the case. The cylinder module has a thick crown that is also appropriate for this style of watch. The overall impression is chunky but very wearable. The clasp is highly polished with an equally stamped bridge. It's rather thin, but solidly built and not prone to bending. There are some manual micro adjustments and a good number of friction pin links. The lugs curve downward for good bracelet articulation. These lugs are very polished, matching the bracelet links. The lugs also curves together with the bracelet end link, providing a seamless case flow. The bracelet's finish is broken up with 2 brushed middle links. The sides of the case are also very polished, making it a very shiny, light-catching watch. Underneath the bracelet, we are treated with dual quick-release spring bars that make strap changing free of difficulties. This is not a straight bracelet. It actually tapers from 22 to 20 mm. The whole watch wears big without having oversized dimensions. It's a fashion brand that prioritizes design. Upon closer inspection, it may have merely an aluminum bezel and mineral crystal, but it manages to look luxurious while maintaining accessibility. The dial also delivers in this promise of the brand by displaying a number of visual cues. The Von Vogel branding is prominently placed at the 12 o'clock position, along with a depth rating of just 50 meters because of that non-screw-down crown. There are 2 subdials for keeping track of the date and 24-hour equivalent. Both subdials are radial textured, a very good design choice. None of these are loomed, but that's okay, since it's not a true diver's watch anyway. We can appreciate the white and clean prints all over the dial. There's also some very pleasing orange accents that gives the watch a bit of character. All of these are printed on a sunburst finish that radiates with the movement of your wrist. In tandem with the radial subdials and that aluminum bezel insert, the light play on the dial is fantastic. The tip of the second's hand is also painted orange, asking for your attention every time it moves across the dial. I would have preferred that the outer track was removed, just to give it a bit more of breathing room against those other details. Shifting focus now to the customization feature of the watch, you can quickly see what makes Von Vogel special. While many micro and fashion brands are redressed mass production watches, Von Vogel amplifies its value with great quality parts that are interchangeable to make countless combinations. The cylinder is where the movement is housed, and all of Von Vogel's timepiece cylinders can fit in any of their cases. The back of the case displays all of the relevant markings, including the branding and item serial numbers. These cylinders will house either a Seiko or Miyota quartz movement with varying dial configurations. The case is also equally manufactured with finesse and accuracy. There are thin areas of the case, but they are still very solid and unbendable. The lugs are also thick with deep holes for the spring bars. The crown recess is open on the top part where the crown stem would pass through. The tension ring for the case is as thin as your typical case back with coin edging for adequate gripping. This is mirror polished, giving a premium look and feel. It also has some deep engravings for directions on how to secure and release the tension ring. Installing on the cylinder is a breeze and lays flush on the case back. Putting together the whole case is very convenient. Pull out the crown to ensure that you have enough clearance for the case crown recess. There's no need to apply pressure to insert the cylinder into the case. It just drops right in. The case back thread will then be exposed for the tension ring to screw around to. Once the cylinder is secure, you can now press the crown back to its original position. It's that easy. We were provided with a soft white strap, which also came with a quick release spring bar. This strap is considerably decorated and branded. It is thick and holds its shape nicely. This branded rubber strap is very flexible and has subtle touches of refinement, including a signed buckle. The underside also has breathable grooves, making it not only sporty but also comfortable. This is where this watch truly shines in all of the tactile features. From the signed crown that's very easy to turn to the bezel action that's satisfying to fidget all day long, it's a playable timepiece in every sense. Speaking of playability, their online design lab is a playground for ideas for that next great watch design that can only come from your very own imagination. You can spend hours upon hours with the possibilities that you can come up with. What's more, you can download a snapshot of your creation and post it on your social media. Once you're done, you can place your order and it will be delivered to you anywhere around the world. You can even order just the parts you need without buying the whole watch. Pricing for the cylinders range from 90 to 110 euros each, with the cases around 50 for the steel models and 60 for the gold-plated variants. The strap options are plenty, starting at 40, costing to as much as 50 euros. They ship worldwide with shipping times taking up to a week or so to arrive. Watch collecting is a hobby that many times require an amount of experience and knowledge to be truly appreciated and enjoyed. It doesn't have to be that way, with ample examples of exception to the rule. But the world of watchmaking used to be an even more elite crowd to break into. With Von Vogel, even the next generation Gentas and Jorns can start out in their journey online by designing their own watch at a relatively affordable price. Yes, it may lack the sapphire crystals and looms that most watches would just throw at you without having a second thought. But Von Vogel's value and virtue lies really on the thousands of combinations and hours of fun that can be had in watchmaking/designing. That's something that millions of us can get into. Now you too can get into the fun. Design and win your own custom-made Von Vogel watch. Here's how to participate. Go to vonvogel-design.com and design your own watch. Use the download function to download your watch with your name. Post your design in your feed or story in Instagram and tag at Design Atelier Aruba and at Von Vogel Design. That's it. Pretty easy, right? The winner will be selected on the 4th of April and will be announced on Instagram.